All right, we got to get her out of here. They got to get back to those little people. What are we doing?
She was starting her other job today, and she did this for breaking her. She wants to get her license. I believe otherwise.
Michigan courtroom drama kicks off instantly as Brooke Jones faces a misdemeanor insurance charge. But everything changes when possible proof suddenly appears. The judge jokes, attorneys react fast, and the entire hearing takes an unexpected turn within seconds. This docket only gets crazier from here. Subscribe now for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns and reactions.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's your name?
Brooke Youngs.
All right. Ma'am, you are before the court on a misdemeanor citation that alleges that on or about March 6, 2026, Michigan Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you did operate a motor vehicle without proper security or insurance. You understand that?
Not the proper security part.
Well,
No,
it's operating it without proper insurance or what's called security under the law.
okay.
Okay. You understand that?
Hmm.
Okay. That's a misdemeanor punishable by not more than, well, fine, not less than $200, nor more than $500, nor more than 1 year in incarceration. You understand that? Okay. First question I have for you, you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Okay, this is public defender.
Morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Cosimo Basie on behalf of Brooke Jones. Your Honor, waive any formal readings, stand mute charges, request PR bond and a new pretrial day in this matter.
Defendant name waive formal reading standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Is this one where if she had it, it would go away?
If she has proof of insurance and can show it to me, I'd be willing to dismiss.
You have it with you? Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna solve her own case.
Got a superstar.
All right, but Bill Base, I've appointed.
Good.
No, take credit.
Good.
Take credit, because you get blamed when things go bad. So take credit. All right.
People will be moving to dismiss.
Any objection?
We're removing our request for a pretrial day.
Yeah, all right.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Case is dismissed. You have a great day, young lady. Court calls the case, People versus Ryan Atkins.
Township.
Custom bill based on behalf of Brian Atkins, Your Honor.
Ryan Atkins, see here. Oh, there he is. Mr. Atkins?
Sir, we were going to be requesting an adjournment to the 15th.
There he is. State your name.
Ryan Atkins.
All right. You wanted to adjourn to the 15th?
Yes.
During the matter to April 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Is he, well, see, are you close to getting a license, Mr. Atkins?
Thank you.
This hard.
We both, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm supposed to be close. I'm just waiting on a hearing date. So for the re-examination.
Oh, gotcha. I gotcha. Okay, so let me do this.
Nothing's holding me back from getting it other than that hearing.
Got it. So I'm going to adjourn this instead of the 15th, Mr. Atkins. I'm going to go to May 6th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
2026, 9 a.m. Let's see if we get some news by then. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll continue. Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Deshauna Andrews.
Yeah. Township.
And assistant public defender, on behalf of the standards, it should be. No, ma'am, you please state your name.
He's there, but.
Hello?
Listen, Bennett, I cannot hear anything.
So sorry.
Who is that? Okay, Ms. Andrews, can you unmute and state your name?
It's Defendant Andrews. I'm so sorry. It's my first day at work and I'm a pre-K teacher.
You're a pre-K teacher?
Yes, sir.
So you got a lot of little people running around?
Because well, right now they're sitting. They're supposed to be making noises, but one got hurt and wanted a hug before you call my name.
Wow. Well, she's all right. We got to get her out of here. They got to get back to those little people. What are we doing?
She was starting her other job today. She did this for breaking her. She get the funds together to get her license. I believe it's otherwise.
I'm
You
so
need
sorry. I
some
can't.
time. You need time to get funds together to try to get your license.
Yes, I'm setting up appointment in 2 weeks. Well, not the test in 2 weeks.
All right. Here's what I'll do. Let me go to May 20th,
Okay.
2020, 9 a.m. Okay. So get it done.
Okay. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Okay. You too.
Okay. Thank you. I'll try with these kids.
All right.
Bye,
I
guys.
know. Just take care. It's exactly how I feel every day coming in here. Court. Sorry, didn't mean to say that out loud. Court calls the case of the people versus Naren Andrews.
Conrad Siller on behalf of.
I didn't say that name.
This is she.
Constable Bass on behalf of Miss Andrews, Your Honor, who's present by Zoom. Can you state your full name, Miss Andrews?
Quinarian Andrews.
I was close. I almost got it.
For adjournment, she is in final trimester of her pregnancy. She's hoping to hopefully get some traction going on her license. She's asking for a 60-day adjournment if possible.
So we gotta wait for the baby to be born?
That's it's a blessing. Hopefully it will bring more blessings.
No, I'm sure it is, but all right. She just wants to get through that before. And if I said no, then what?
Well, we'll accept whatever you.
All right. Let's let her get through. July 1, you said? All right. I'll adjourn your matter to July 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
All right. I'll just wish you congratulations ahead of time. Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. Take care.
You too.
Court does call the case. People versus Von Barnett.
Conrad Siller. Yeah.
Yes, that is for Miss Barnett, who gave you permission to accept the offer of building.
Moving ahead, count two double parking, Your Honor, to accept that admission to dismiss the original charge.
Quinarian Andrews arrives facing legal stress while also preparing for childbirth, and the courtroom atmosphere completely softens. Even the judge acknowledges the importance of timing, giving her extra months before returning to court. Moments like this show how judges balance compassion with accountability. Would you have granted the same adjournment in this situation?
Ms. Pate, do you admit responsibility on behalf of your client for the offense? You admit responsibility to the fact that on April 13th, 2022, at the location of 7000 East Michigan Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that she double parked the motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Court will accept that admission. Count one is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can that be paid?
60 days, and I've spoken to her in the they indicated she receives Social Security, I believe it was Social Security disability. So they're asking.
August 7th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
2026. Court calls case People versus Philip Bass.
Conrad Siller on behalf of the township.
Constable Bass on behalf of Philip Bass.
Philip Bass.
Apologies.
Philip Bass, could you unmute, state your full name for the record? Philip Bass.
Thank you.
Honor, today is the day of time set for a pretrial in this matter. My client does have a valid license. I have tendered a copy of that to the city attorney. And he has graciously offered double parking, and my client would like to accept that.
That's correct, Your Honor. I move that count two double parking be accept that admission. This original charge.
Bass, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on the date of April 28, 2024, at the location of Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Not a question. I can't get that dismissed now that I got my license. Like that was 2 years ago.
As we discussed, or as you discussed with Mr. Brown, it was for double parking. It wasn't for dismissal. The double parking is just a civil infraction ticket with a fine.
Too bad. Okay.
Are you
Thank
wanting
you.
to take?
I'm logged in now, listening.
That's not.
Mr. Bass, what do you want to do?
I guess go with whatever we're going with now. If it's not gonna
What'd
get
you
dismissed-
say?
If it's not gonna get dismissed, I guess I can go with the double parking.
All right. Do you admit responsibility to the fact that you double parked the motor vehicle on the date and time that I indicated?
Yeah.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you pay that?
I need a couple months.
Pay it by June 1st, 2026. Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus George Bowman.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Township.
Assistant Public Defender Constable Basie on behalf of George Bowman, Your Honor.
Jackson.
George Bowman. No response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond set of the amount of $5,000. Give a 10% privilege on the. Those warrants will issue, or that warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case People versus Keontae Wright.
And Your Honor, Raymond Cook from.
Public defender again. That's right, who I saw earlier was present on Zoom in a case earlier. That's right. If you hear us, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
Keontae Wright.
Hi there. This is your Spanish
Okay, right.
Sorry, I was in mute. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. What
Here.
about Mr.
Yeah, that's right. So for what's worth, Your Honor, I was able to email her yesterday. Yes, so I was in contact with her circuit court attorney, Mr. Drukas, in regards to the program that she was reaccepted into there and was able to yesterday just provide that to Mr. Cook. Based on that, Mr. Cook did make an offer in each of her cases to resolve them late last night.
This courtroom session delivered everything: dismissed cases, license struggles, emotional defendants, and even a bench warrant for missing court. Some people walked away relieved, while others left with serious consequences still hanging over them. The judge mixed humor, patience, and firmness throughout every hearing. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories.